Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BKYI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and just massive volume. And in trading talk, in technical jargon, this is what we would call an absolute gap and trap, which could potentially just flat out turn into a pump and dump. I'm not willing to call it a pump and dump yet, but it's without doubt a gap and trap. I mean, that's not even up for argument. If you are new, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there. And then today, the price closed right there, hence a gap and a gap up as the price closed well above where it was. And then this is where things always get cruel with these is even after the gap up, price made a nice move up, and then some poor souls were buying around here. And then you can see after that, literally basically all selling the remainder of the day, and all the way down it went. Just a nasty looking gap and trap here. And now it's just a question, and this is what I would definitely consider a must-hold level going into next week, of 80 cents. And why is 80 cents so important? Well, I'm not saying this is going to actually happen, but the reason why this is a very important level is if the price were to continue to bleed, go down to 80 and then continue on down, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of, which would then imply that this has happened. Huge move up, and then within a relatively small amount of time, price has gone right back to where it was. That's the epitome of a pump and dump. So again, I'm not saying that it's a pump and dump right now because the price does still have the opportunity to show some signs of progress by staying above 80 cents at least. But yeah, I mean, it's been a gap and trap. Now it's just a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump by just blasting down through the 80 cent mark? That remains to be seen next week. But overall, just a very, very ugly looking chart currently. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.